Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar, type your control panel, go to the view by section, select large icons and then just scroll down, click on sound. Once you are here, you can select the speakers, right click on it and just disable it, again enable it. Once done, select it again, go to its properties, go to levels tab, make sure you have to set this up to the 100%. Go to enhancements tab, we need to check this option, disable all enhancements, and click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window, right click on the start icon, go to device manager, then we need to expand the sound, video and game controllers. Right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab, then click on update driver, select the first option, check automatically for drivers and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close this window. Now expand the audio inputs and outputs, right click on the speakers, open its properties, I can do the same process for this one also. Go to drivers tab, click on update driver, select the first option, make sure you are connected with your internet connection, okay, then the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and you're good to go.